go for it. I can, so I really like to put a lot. I'm supposed to get started with reset chores, but instead, welcome back to the channel, everybody. It's Brenda. So we just got a good workout in today, and I just did a hair wash day today. So after I kind of get ready for the day, I just want to go straight into the kitchen to get some early dinner started, late lunch. On the menu, I want to cook my good old tofu. I wasn't sure what I was in the mood for today, and I opened my fridge and I'm like, oh, I don't want fish, and I don't have chicken or turkey or red meat, and I'm like, but I have tofu. I feel like tofu is one of those things that you either like it or hate it. I don't think there's in between. Let me know. Do you enjoy tofu? Have you ever had tofu before? I used to eat a vegan diet years ago, and I learned a lot about eating plant-based at that time. And at that time, I would eat a lot of tofu, so I don't mind it. I did get tired of it for like a while, like after we quit being vegan or whatnot, when we stopped eating a plant-based diet. I was also very tired of tofu, so I gave it a break. But within like the last year or so, I feel like I've been able to kind of like cook it and we eat it, and I actually like to order that whenever we go to a specific restaurant called Waba Grill. They have a tofu bowl that I really like, and I'm gonna cook that today, kind of like a wannabe Waba Grill rice bowl. Today's actually Monday, President's Day, and since I will be here at home, hence the holidays observed, I decided to why not share a productive Monday here at home. We got a good healthy breakfast in, a good workout to start the week, and I did my hair wash thoroughly today, where I use like my scalp brush and I really go in there and really wash my hair, so it just feels really nice and clean. This is actually my first hair wash since the hair appointment. I was just trying to hold on to the hair salon blow dry that they do to your hair, because it always looks really like nice, and yeah, it wasn't looking nice anymore, so it was time to definitely wash it. And I just applied a little bit of the Color Fanatic. I share that with y'all quite often, and I really like it from Pureology. And today I'm not gonna blow dry my hair. I'm not gonna style it. I'm just gonna brush it out and let it just breathe, because it's had so much product in the last few days. I had to do the touch-ups with this, and I did touch-ups with hairspray and my dry shampoo, and then on top of that, whatever they did at the salon. So no extremeness with my hair. I'm just gonna let it air dry. So we've got the broccoli cooking in the microwave before transferring it to our air fryer, and then we have the rice cooking, and now we're going to slice the tofu that I've got pressed. I started pressing it before I took a shower, so it's here in the fridge, and it looks like it released a lot of the water, so that's a really good thing. And we're going to grill the tofu before adding the teriyaki sauce. Okay, so we have the rice tofu bowl. I air fried the broccoli. I drizzled it with olive oil, salt, and now black pepper. Underneath we have the steamed white rice, and then over here we have the tofu that I semi-fried with avocado oil and garnished with sesame seeds and drizzled teriyaki sauce on it too. Excuse me. So let's do a little taste test of the broccoli to see where we're at. It's nice and toasty. Tastes good. Love it. Have you guys ever had like something go down like the wrong pipe? That's what's going on. Okay. And then now the tofu. Little close up of the tofu here. Yummy, yummy. And then, well, the rice is very straightforward, honestly. Now, the secret to a tofu bowl is making sure you have some type of sriracha hot sauce. And if you can handle the heat, go for it. I can, so I really like to put a lot in there. And then also getting some low sodium soy sauce. We're running kind of low here. So I'm gonna go ahead and drizzle some in here. And then if I wanted a little bit more teriyaki sauce on my tofu, I can do that. I can add it, but, excuse me. But I'm not adding it. So this is dinner. It was easy to make. It took me less than 30 minutes, not counting pressing the tofu, because of course that takes the longest. And I also like to use organic extra firm tofu, because it gives like that better texture. If you don't like soft textures of tofu, then the extra firm is gonna be good. So I'm just gonna go ahead and enjoy this before we proceed with today's productive Monday. After dinner, I was supposed to get started with reset chores, but instead I ended up baking cinnamon rolls. So I've been in the kitchen here baking these cinnamon rolls. This time they did not fail, because if you watched my vlog when it was Valentine's Day, my cinnamon rolls failed because I didn't knead the dough. But this time they came out really nice and very, very, very good. And I'm kind of I bake these as a welcome home, because my parents were out of town. They're on their way back home. But now I need to go clean my bedroom. It's such a mess right now. You guys won't even believe it. I don't think I've ever had my bedroom this messy. But basically, this is just what happened. So all of this here is clean laundry that needs to be put away. And this is what happens when you don't stay on top of it. And obviously today I did not make the bed. We're gonna get it together. It's never too late in the day to organize and refresh your space. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do a little bedroom refresh. Well, that is a wrap for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like this video, comment, and share. And most importantly, please don't forget to subscribe. And I will see you all on the next video. Bye.